Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I'm going to be doing a swatch and review of the MODELONES blue polygel kit. There is 12 different colours to this collection, mostly consisting of different shades of blue. These tubes are really tiny. They are only 10-gram tubes, so you're not going to get a lot out of them in all honesty. But they look like a really great selection of colours. I paid £12.79 for this kit. It's back up at £16.99 now on Amazon UK. It's not too bad a price at all for polygel, you really can't complain. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to swatch them all, we're going to see what they're like. This kit doesn't come with any polygel brushes or anything like that, you do just simply get the polygel itself in a box. But that's absolutely fine, just make sure if you are deciding to purchase this kit that you do get yourself poly brush too if you don't already have one. The only other thing that you do get in this little kit is a little application guide. It sort of says how to prepare your nails, how to do the extension, how to remove, and then we've just simply got like the warning guidelines, how to contact them, and a few little tips and tricks. And it states there, dive in the sea of colour, relish in the beauty of colours. Cute. Okay, so I'm not going to hesitate, I'm just going to jump straight in and start swatching these. This one looks like it's just going to be a white, which I don't mind because I don't actually think I have a just solid white polygel. I have sparkly white ones, but yeah, I don't think I just have a standard white. Although I'm going to have a right nightmare getting into all these little tabs. You know, it would help if I was trying to pull the tab from the right side, wouldn't it? Although I still can't get into it. Okay, so yeah, it's just a white. I do have dip solution, but today I'm just using isopropyl alcohol, IPA. I just prefer it, I don't know why. I've seen quite a few people using base coat actually, which I've not tried yet, but yeah, quite a few people started using base coat as a slip solution, which I think is quite cool. I have plenty of base coat. I've got base coat coming up my ass, to be honest. So yeah, I'll have to give that a go at some point, but today I'm just going to be using my IPA as my slip solution. There we go, that's the first one. I'm just going to keep that underneath my LED lamp for 2 minutes, 120 seconds. But yeah, it's a really good white, that one, I like the look of that. Next up we have got 013, which is a clear. I think this is actually my first time ever trying MODELONES polygel. I don't think I have any, but I do really like MODELONES products, they are really nice. I've only ever tried their gel polish though. The gel polish is really good, can't fault it at all. But yeah, I don't have a lot of MODELONES products. I have got their 2 different lipstick series collections, which are really nice. And then I've just got a couple of their little mini bottles of gel polish that they do. My first ever PR package was a MODELONES package. They sent me a cute little section of gel polish to do a review on. Yeah, it's my first ever time doing a PR sort of work with a brand type thing. But yeah, no, what I've tried of their products so far, I just can't complain about. They're really nice. That clear looks really nice as well actually. I like it. Definitely looking very transparent. Yeah, you can see how transparent it is because you can easily read that through it. So yeah, looks good. I like it. Next up we're going to swatch 038. This looks like it's going to be quite sort of a sheer blue. Definitely don't look like it's going to be the most pigmented of polygels. It's definitely got a good amount of colour there, but it's almost on the verge of being more like a sort of jelly polygel. I've got a massive air bubble there. I'm really not very good at swatching polygel, I do apologise. Okay, so yeah, that is the blue. It is quite sheer, but it's really pretty. I do really like it. Okay, next up we are going in with 057. I'm trying to do this really quickly as well. I've been filming for hours today, trying to catch up. And 2 of my camera batteries are flat, so I'm on my last battery. Should have really put the other ones on charge, but I'm sort of hoping I can get this video done before my camera battery goes flat. But when I first got this camera, it's kind of a nightmare doing my videos because I only had the 1 battery, and especially with my nail art, it sometimes takes me hours. I used to have to film a bit, my camera battery would go flat, I'd have to put it on charge it up for a bit and then return to film a video, and it was a right pain. But having 2 extra batteries has been an absolute lifesaver. Now I can get away with filming a few videos. Or if it's near work, I can actually sit down and do it all in one sitting if I have enough time to. Yeah, that is that one. Quite a nice colour again. A little bit sheer. A little bit sheer. But I'm not putting on the thickest of coats, so that might be why. But it's a nice colour. This one is 058, which looks like it's going to be, oh, I suppose it's kind of purpley, not as purpley as I kind of thought it was going to be. Like, that's the only thing that I wouldn't say, well, yeah, I suppose it's close, but it's just not quite the right colour. They are a nice formula though, these polygels, I do give them that. But yeah, I'm kind of trying to expand my range of things like this. I've got loads of gel polish, but I just want to expand my range of like acrylic, polygel, builder gel, all those sort of things. I've even bought some dip powder and I want to have a play with dipping because I've never done any dipping before, but it looks really easy. So I've bought myself a little CAD's dip powder set. I can't wait to try that out. Yeah, that one looks really nice. It's a bit more opaque now. I've put on a bit more of a thicker layer on this one. You can definitely see it's a lot more opaque. This one's sparkly one, 059. I do love sparkly polygel. So this one has got blue, black, silver, and some red, I think, in it, glitter. I don't know how I feel about it. It is nice. I don't know whether I'd reach for it much though, to be perfectly honest with you. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that one. This one looks like it's going to be more blue. 060, it's another glittery one. Yeah, instantly I can tell you I much prefer this one. This one's got like kind of like an opaly shift to it, which I really like. I have a couple of polygels that have kind of like an opaly shift to them. And I have used them quite a few times now as well because I do really like them. Yeah, I got some really nice opaly ones from Savvyland and I love them. They're probably my favourite polygels. They're really nice. Yeah, this is definitely a lot more up my alley. I like this a lot. I really like that. That is beautiful. We have got 061. Oh, we got a pop. This one looks really nice as well. This one's got really fine glitter in it. I like the look of it. I do apologise for my swatches not being the neatest. I'm trying to film so quick. It's the most satisfying thing when you can sit there and say, yes, I've got all my videos filmed. I'm on a mission at the minute to try and just get all my videos filmed that I've been meaning to get filmed. Because I keep sort of stockpiling stuff to film. And there's nothing more satisfying than being able to put everything away in its own little place and just be done and get rid of the bloody pile. I bought all this lot on Prime Day and it's literally just been sat there for a couple of weeks because I just haven't had a chance to film it. So today I'm sort of spending the day trying to crack them all out and just get a few videos filmed. Got some peace and quiet, so seemed like a good time just come and crack on and get it done. I've been spending my evenings playing Call of Duty, so I haven't been doing a lot of filming, but yeah, I really like that one actually, it's really nice. We have got 062, this one looks like, oh yeah it is. This one, oh, very mermaidy. I'm getting carried away there, I'm putting way too much polygel on. I'm like mesmerised by how pretty it is. I'm not paying attention to how much I'm squeezing out, I'm just like, ooh, pretty. Oh yeah, I really like this one, it's definitely got like mermaid vibes to it. Got absolutely gorgeous sort of pearly shimmer to it. I really like that. I definitely got way more out of the tube than what I needed to, but oh well. Too late now, it's out. Look at that shine. I really like that. I think that one might be my favourite so far out of them all. We have got 063 that looks like it's going to be just a navy blue. Yeah, indeed. Very nice blue actually though. I do really like the colour of that. I've still got some shimmers on my brush, so yeah, it's not actually shimmery this polygel. It's just shimmers from the previous one. I obviously didn't do a very good job of cleaning off my brush then. And they are transferring onto this, but oh well, doesn't matter. Yeah, I do really like that one. Got 064, so that's like it's going to be a chunky deeper blue. Ooh, I really like this one. This one's really nice because it's not just got a clear base, like they've put some blue pigment in there too, as well as the glitter, because quite a lot of the glittery ones that I have, if not all of them, are like clear base with just like some chunks of glitter in. They don't actually have no coloured actual polygel itself, so I like this one for that. I do quite like blue nails. I have done my nails quite frequently in blue over the last few years last few years even, excuse me, getting all jumbled with my words. But yeah, I'd say blue, purple and red, probably the most common colours I go for when doing my own nails. This is why I decided to get this kit. Like, they didn't actually have any colours on the, they didn't actually have any other colours on the Prime Day deal, I don't think. But I saw this and I was like, well, yeah, I do my nails quite a bit in blue. I know that I will definitely make use of this kit. So I decided to go ahead and get it. Yeah, it's really nice. I really like that one. Okay, and then last but not least, we have got 065, which looks like it's going to be another glittery one. Oh. We've got a pop again. Right, okay, so you know that first one that I swatched, the chunky one with the blue, red, black and silver. This one is basically the fine version of that. It's all fine glitter in here. There's no red this time. I'm not seeing no red. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not seeing no red speckles. But it's basically the finer glitter version of that first one that I swatched. But I do prefer this one. I don't know, I think it's the red in the other one that's throwing me off a bit. It's red and blue. I don't really like putting red and blue together. It's not two colours I typically do put together. Especially not for glitter. And the black as well. I'm not so sure I like the black in it. Yeah, I don't really feel like I'd personally reach for that one much. It is nice, I just don't know if it's me. Okay, so there we go. That is this selection of colours. They are actually all really nice, aren't they? I think this deep blue near my thumb here, the sparkly deep blue, and then that mermaid shimmery one are probably my favourites out of the lot. But I really like them all. I quite like this opally one. I think it's a really nice bunch of colours. The clear is definitely a good clear, the white is definitely a good white, and then I do really like the rest as well. It's a good little selection, especially if you are into your blues. I think, you know, you can't really get much more of a better kit than this if you're into your blues. And it was super affordable. Like I said, the tubes are really small. They are only 10-gram tubes. So like you're not really going to get much more than a set of nails out of them, but I feel like for the price point that is okay. The formula of them is really nice. It's thick, but it's not too thick. It's not really sticky. Some polygels can be quite runny and really sticky. These aren't, considering it's really hot as well. They're actually really nice to work with. Like, I rushed through swatching these. They aren't the neatest of swatches, but I think they look alright still, so you know, I think that says it all. But yeah, no, I really like this kit. I think it's really good and it's definitely on my recommendations list. I definitely would quite like to get some more Modelones polygels. I do really like their products, and yeah, this is just a big thumbs up from me. I'm definitely quite happy with them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it's a really cute little set. But like I said, I'll leave it in the description box anyway if you would like to check it out for yourself. I'll see if they do any other colours. I don't recall seeing any other colours, but they might well do. I'm sure there's quite a few of you girls that would love like an all purple one, an all pink one or something like that, you know. So I'll have a look, and if there are any, I'll leave them linked for you. But anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Sorry if it seems a bit rushed, but I hope you all enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, have a great day whatever you're doing. Thank you all so much for watching. Much love, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!